Bubbles Notetaker AI Review 7. Crucial Things You Need to Know. If you're looking for a game-changing AI tool to transform how you take notes, you've probably heard about Bubbles Notetaker AI. In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this just-released AI software. Stick around until the end because I'll share why Bubbles might just be the most innovative solution for note-taking in 2025. Plus, there's a link below where you can try this software completely free. Yes, free. So let's dive into why this AI tool is worth your attention. First off, Bubbles Notetaker AI isn't just a note-taking app. It's an intelligent assistant that understands what you need from your notes and organizes them in real time. Whether you're in meetings, lectures, or brainstorming sessions, Bubbles captures the essence of every conversation with incredible accuracy. No more scrambling to catch every word. It's all there in neatly structured summaries, key points, and action items. But what sets Bubbles apart from other AI note-taking software is its ability to create contextually relevant notes. It's not just transcribing what's being said, it's analyzing the content, identifying the most important information, and organizing it in a way that makes sense for you. This means less time editing and more time focusing on what really matters. The next big thing you should know about Bubbles is its real-time summarization feature. While other apps might give you raw transcripts, Bubbles generates easy-to-read summaries as you go. These summaries are smart enough to break down complex discussions into digestible, prioritized chunks, ensuring that you don't miss any crucial details. This makes it perfect for professionals who are always on the go and need fast, reliable information. The software also integrates seamlessly with other productivity tools you already use. From Google Docs to Slack, you can pull in your notes and summaries directly into your workflow. And if you're collaborating with a team, Bubbles automatically syncs notes across shared spaces, making collaboration effortless. It's like having a digital assistant that's always in tune with your needs. Another major advantage is how Bubbles learns over time. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This AI becomes better at predicting what you want in your notes, tailoring them to your preferences. It's not static, it evolves with you, making sure that every session gets more efficient. One of the features that I found incredibly impressive is its voice-to-text capabilities. Bubbles Notetaker AI uses cutting-edge speech recognition technology that ensures what's being said is accurately transcribed in real time, even in noisy environments. It's an excellent solution for people who work in dynamic spaces or on the go, like in cafes or while traveling. Also, Bubbles isn't just about text. It allows you to add multimedia to your notes, images, voice recordings, and even videos. This multi-format approach makes it much more dynamic, allowing you to capture every detail, not just the words. For instance, you can snap a photo of a whiteboard full of ideas and attach it directly to your notes, keeping everything in one place. Lastly, Bubbles offers strong security measures, so you can trust that your notes are safe. With end-to-end encryption, your private information stays protected. This is a crucial point if you're using Bubbles for work-related projects or sensitive personal information. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Bubbles Notetaker AI completely free by clicking the link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I've handpicked a list of the most reliable and efficient software, and Bubbles is definitely one of the top contenders. If you're ready to elevate your note-taking experience with AI, Bubbles Notetaker is the solution you've been waiting for. Check out the link and try it yourself. I also have my recommended AI software for all types of tasks in the description, tools I've personally used and trust. Give them a try and find the perfect fit for you. That's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.